Hi, I'm back again with another I Can Read book. This one is called Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups, and it's by James Dean. And James Dean did his own illustrations or pictures. Hiccup! Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup! Hiccup! How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asked Grumpy Toad, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Grumpy Toad. "You stand on one foot." Pete stands on one foot. See? Hiccup! It didn't work. Pete still has the hiccups. So Pete asked Callie, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," said Callie. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down." Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. So that didn't work either. Pete asked Gus, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," said Gus. "You stand on one foot and you hop up and down and you sing a song." Let's see if he tries this. So Pete stands on one foot, he hops up and down, and he sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Sounds like they're getting worse. Pete asked Bob, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," said Bob. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly," says Bob. Pete does it. Hiccup. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. "Go ask Mom," says Bob. Pete asked Mom, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," said Mom. "You take a deep breath." Pete takes a deep breath. "Hold your breath and blow it out," says Mom. So Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. "That's it, Pete." "That's it?" Pete asked. "That's it," says Mom. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. Is your mom that smart? Anyways, I hope you like this book also, and I will be back next week to read you another story. Thank you.